This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set your account private on monster.com. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Monster. To set your Monster account private, first thing you need to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to your profile icon. You want to click on that. And then in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Settings. And then in the center pane here, these tabs across the top here, you want to click on Communications. And by default, right in here, Visibility to Employers, by default, your account is set to public. You can change it to confidential, or you could set it to private. To set it to private, you'll toggle this one on. Now my account is set to private. That is how you set your Monster Jobs account to private. Thanks for watching.